Hello there and welcome to your afternoon forecast this Thursday. Well, today we watch as more rain arrives across more southern areas, moderate at times with the risk of thunder along the coastline. Elsewhere, the showery rain which we saw last night turning to snow over the high ground, retreating towards the North Sea. It's a colder day in the north, and then the frost returns quite quickly tonight across more northern parts. Let's take a look at the detail. This is the weather front which swept across the country overnight, taking with it the strongest winds towards the North Sea, and it is now clearing, a slow process along that east coast of England, southeast Scotland. This rain here will turn quite moderate for a time as it pushes up towards Cardiff, Oxfordshire, and then eventually the home counties. To the south, we are seeing one or two showers lurking around. They could be heavy and also thundery. Elsewhere, it's a mostly dry day, a dry afternoon with some sunshine reserved for central and northern areas of Scotland. But this weak system here will bring with it some showers. It's a narrow band of showers which will track across through Thursday evening, Scotland and Northern Ireland. In the south today, temperatures 10-11, but cold in the north. So through this evening, this band of shower rain clears towards the southeast. This narrow band of showers tends to fizzle out as it pushes eastwards across Scotland. Still one or two showers likely, and over the higher ground, the risk of a little bit of ice as temperatures plummet quite quickly overnight, and certainly through the early hours of the morning in the towns and cities, 0, -1, down to -4 or 5 in more rural spots. And that frost extends down towards northern England, perhaps the far north of Wales, but inland towards England and Wales, 3 or 5 degrees Celsius, and a bright start to the day. So through the day, we'll watch as that frost gradually lifts. It's going to be a slow process. Temperatures will recover much later on as this next system comes in. But there will be some sunshine on offer, particularly for England and Wales and eastern, southeastern Scotland. But thickening cloud through Friday afternoon will eventually bring outbreaks of rain, and that wind coming in from the south-southwest will pick up some strength. Before that, though, temperatures struggling, a cold day after a frosty start. 4 to 8 degrees Celsius. And if you are stepping out on Friday evening, wrap up warm in the south, still chilly here with some starry skies. But then that wet and windy weather sweeps across Scotland, Northern Ireland, moves towards the far north of Wales and northwest England. The most moderate burst perhaps on the western side of Scotland over the hills there, and coupled with the wind, quite unpleasant conditions through Friday evening. So this is the weather system. As you can see, it's still with the UK through Saturday, certainly the north. Some strong gusty winds. The Met Office has issued a warning for some rain, particularly in the west, and those stronger gusts through Saturday. Irish Sea coast also seeing those. But on Sunday, things tend to quieten down as the rain clears. Certainly for England and Wales, a slightly less strong wind, still a bit blustery in places. And we hang on to the strong winds across the north, and they will blow in a fair amount of showers. I'll see you later.